Hey everybody, welcome back to this week's video. This week we are on our way over to the Magic Kingdom to check out the update on Tron, see what's going on over there. It's been, I think, 2 weeks since I did my last Tron update, so a little bit's happened since then. A little more on the show building and stuff like that, so we'll go check that out. Thank you to all my viewers, subscribers, all of you new viewers, all you new subscribers since the last time. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Make sure to share, hit that thumbs up, and let's go check out Tron over at the Magic Kingdom. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And I will see you guys next week. Thank you for watching. I'm out.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.